Hey guys, in this video I will work on a redesign for a web application that I built, and I want to test 3 AI tools and just decide which one did best. The tools I will be using are B0, Bolt, and Lovable. And these are all using the free tier. I'm not paying for anyone right now. So we'll see how they do. First, let me just give you a quick rundown of the app. So this is a homepage, beautiful, I know. And here I'm just going to sign in with Google. And this app, pretty much what it is I guess it's in the name. It's a play of Speakem. So the main, the concept is you create a league, you invite friends, you fill out your NFL playoffs bracket, and whoever gets the most predictions right wins. So here this is my bracket for the 2024 season. Obviously I didn't do that well. Then I have my standings tab, which shows a table with my correct predictions in green, and red they're incorrect, and then the total points I got. And then in scoring I can see how many points I get per prediction. It depends on which round the match is being played. So that's pretty much it. I also have this settings page where I can just change the league name, and I can add new members or remove them. So that's pretty much the app, pretty simple one. So what I'm going to do next is I've actually taken a bunch of screenshots of the application, and I'm going to pass those to the AIs so they know what type of kind of screens they need to work on. So what I'll do right now is I'm going to paste a prompt, which will be this. So redesign my app. I just give a very brief rundown of what the app is about, and then at the end I just tell the chat I've attached a few images. So let me just grab those. So upload, and it's all of this. So let's hit open. Okay, looks like they're loaded. So let's hit enter. Okay, so I guess I'll do the same for the other apps. So I'm going to paste my prompt and add a bunch of images. Looks like I can only upload 5 files. Let's hit enter, and then in Lovable let's do the same thing, attach image, and okay, so only Bolt complained about the amount of images. That's interesting. So let's hit enter. Okay, and let's just wait and see what they throw at us. Okay, so looks like this is done, B0. Let's just see what it did here. It actually looks pretty nice. I like the colors. Yeah, this looks pretty good in my opinion. I like it. However, if I go to my leagues, let's see. Can I go to my leagues? Let's see the code. Did it only do the home page. I think it did, right? Let's just ask it, can you work on the rest of the pages? See the attached images from before. Okay, let's see if it works on that. In the meantime, let's look at an bold. So let's see. This actually looks pretty nice as well. I like the background. Oh, it even moves. Interesting. I don't know about the testimonials, but that's fine. Can I see other screens? Looks like it didn't create the other screens. Let's see how Lovable did. It's quite simple. Let's see. Can I see the code here? Oh, interesting. The thing is, I wanted more than just the home page. Let's see if this is still working. Let's do the same here. Hit enter. Okay, and here let's just ask the same thing. Looks like Lovable isn't quite finding my images, so let me just attach those once more. Open. Here are the images. And hit send. Okay. This is getting somewhere. Okay, let's see what it did. Create the rest of the pages. Okay, let's see the code. Okay, yeah, there's these leaks. Route, let's see. If I do my leaks, okay, this looks pretty good. If I hit test leak, interesting. Kind of change the brackets. I'm not sure if I like this. It's quite confusing, I think. Oh, it looks like it's starts at the top and the Super Bowl at the bottom. I see. I like how it added these little emojis. Nice. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, here it's showing the results, scoring. Yeah, I like this a lot actually. And settings, there's obviously some adjustments like the buttons with the hover effect. But overall I like this color scheme. Yep, this is quite good. Let's go to Volt. It looks like it's working, still working. And what about this? Is also still working. Okay, so looks like Bolt is now done. Let's see what it did. It created all of these files. Okay, leaks dashboard, cool. Okay, so let's give it a try. If I click sign in, there's nothing. Start your leak, nothing. Get started. Okay, so this just start your leak, watch demo. Okay, so it looks like it's not taking me. If I just do leaks here, will it do something? Leaks? Okay, so it's taking me here. Nice. I also like the color in this. If I just do, okay, it's not showing my bracket, but I like the table. I mean, mostly the color, like the white, like gray background. I think it's nice. If I go back, the only thing it's not showing the bracket. Kind of wanted to see what that looked like. Okay, my leaks. So yeah, it's just a bracket I'd like to see. Also maybe like the settings. Okay. Member management coming soon. Okay, let's just see if it can fix the bracket. I cannot see the bracket. It bracket just says select a tab to view content. Okay, let's see if it fixes it. Okay, and let's go back to Lovable. Seems like it's having trouble. Okay, just in time. Okay. Let's see how it did. Okay, I like the blue. Okay, let's see. How can I see the files here? Can I not? Oh, right here. And did it actually work? Okay, so yeah, in pages, there are no more pages, so I'm not sure what it did. If I do create leak, my leaks, nope. If I go to leaks, this is not working. Return to home. I don't see the pages, Mr. Lovable. I'm not sure what you did all this time. Cannot see any of the pages. Only the home page. Let's see if it fixes that. So far is I think it's V0 that's winning. Even though I didn't love the bracket, I did love the kind of the color scheme. So I think this one's winning. Or I guess I also liked this one. I like the green and yeah. This one's pretty good as well. I like the background, like the hero image in home. Yeah, I like this one. I'm not sure about the stats. No, and also the testimonials are kind of weird. But yeah, overall I like it. Let's go to leaks again. Looks like I've run out of tokens. Oh, here's the bracket. Nice. Okay, this is cool. I can work with this if I decide to use this design. Yep, I like it. And let's see if Mr. Lovable is still struggling. Not sure why. Okay, let's just go dashboard and try again. Okay. Let's just remove this part of the home page so it's not confused. And let's just add those images once again. Open. Okay, and hit enter. Okay. Play of perfection. Okay, it's quite small, but it's okay. Let's see my leaks. Okay, now it worked. Test leak. Ah, this looks pretty good. Although I'm not sure what this is. Okay, standings. Okay, scoring. Okay, this is not too bad. It's kind of too like space themed, like for me. But it's fine, I think. Okay, so we have our 3 mockups. Which one did you like best? I think I'm leaning with Bolt, honestly. Just kind of the green with white. I think this one's my favorite. So I think I'll implement this one. But honestly, the 3 of them did okay. Lovable was kind of struggling, but it did it in the end. If I were to rank them, I think I would put Bolt first, then V0, and then Lovable. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Which one do you think it's better? I think I will implement this one now, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, I'm back. I'm mostly done with the redesign. This is the actual app right now. So as you can see, I have changed colors. It was mainly background and the primary color. The code changes weren't that interesting. I did find some bugs, but nothing major, and added something like, for example, these badges instead of just changing the text color. So this is what I have now. So yeah. So let me actually just pull up Visual Studio Code, and as you can see, if I do git status, I did change a bunch of files, but the changes weren't really that interesting, just changing colors, text color, so nothing major. Like I said, a few bugs. But I think this is actually ready. One thing that is missing though is I haven't touched the home screen. So if I sign out, you'll see I have this magnificent home page still. And we're back. So this is the end result. As you can see, this part is changed. I asked Bolt to change it a bit. I didn't really like what it had before there, and this is what it came up with, and I changed it to this. So instead of just using this, like the team names and these color boxes, I just changed it to logos. And yeah, I made a few other tweaks, like for example this features section. I pretty much made it shorter, just 4. Then the how it works section, here I have this demo bracket that you can fill out, and I'm thinking of adding some like input boxes for the scoring settings and kind of see how the total points change based on what you click right here. So that's maybe for another video. And then I just have this call to action and this very simple footer. So just to compare here, like I said, I have less feature cards than the how it works section. Instead of these steps, I just have the bracket. Testimonials don't really make sense right now, so I left them out. And then a call to action, and the footer here, it's much bigger, but I don't need it. I don't have that many pages, so I just let it. I just used pretty much this last section without the socials. But yeah, that's pretty much what I came up with. If I just show you the code, here is my home page. So I have my header right here, which is not a component because it changes for the rest of the app. Here I have my sign in button and these sections, like how it works, features. So that's why it's not in a component nor in the layout file. Then I have my main section. These are all the sections I just reviewed. And then my footer, which is also not present in any other page, so that's why it's here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think about it, if you would change something. Like I said, I will probably change this bracket. So let me, oh, actually this is also responsive. So let me just go inspect, and yeah, this is completely responsive now. And yeah, like I said, I'm thinking of changing the bracket layout because right now it's just kind of this, it has this horizontal scroll for this big area. Not very friendly, I guess. So I'm thinking of, I'm thinking of changing it to something like this, where they stack. So yeah, that will be for another video. Hopefully you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next one.